In this video we will make a clothing chute icon using node editing and the shaping tools. First we paste an image which we will draw over. We lock the image so that it won't affect our drawing. We go into wireframe mode and use the 2-point line tool to draw between 2 points. We use the shape tool to convert the line to a curve, then make the curve fit over the bitmap. We duplicate the curve by dragging it and clicking the right mouse button. We draw a new rectangle and convert it to curves so that we can move the corner nodes. We combine the lines we have made so that they become one object. To make the handle we draw a rectangle and use the shape tool to round the corners. We then make a rectangle and use the trim tool from the shaping panel to cut the handle shape. Group all objects and press P to center to the page. We then set up the page to 512 pixels and resize the drawing to fit and then save.